the tutorial called Cut and Tape. First of all, let's look at the direction that talks about this. It says cut on dashed lines and tape behind framed cloth. Okay, no problem. That's exactly what I'm going to do. So I'm just going to cut that out along those dashed lines. And as you do this, make sure you keep this handy, because that is the stitch order that you're going to refer to later. All right, now that that has been cut around, you're ready to place this on the back side of your frame. To do that though, I want you to take some paper tape like we have here and cut about 5 pieces of it and just roll it up in a ball and put one at each corner and one in the center. Once that's done, you simply turn over your frame and you're ready to place this with the right side of it facing down, the pattern side facing down, and just center it right in the middle of that frame and press. Once you've done that, you're now ready to trace your design.